Hey everyone, happy Friday, thank goodness, right? Hope everybody's doing well. Just wanted to come to you and put together this video for you to kind of take some time and show you how to clean the microfiber and all the Norwex items that we have. You can use the washing machine. They recommend no fabric softener. So if you're looking for ways to do it, you can do it that way. But to deep clean your microfiber, there is a special microfiber cleaning thing that you can buy. There's also, we call this Up. It's the Ultra Power Plus. Now this is laundry detergent, but it's also a great way to deep clean your microfiber as well, and any of your Norwex cloths. I can't speak today. This package will last you forever because you really just use a small amount. That's the great thing about this. So does it seem like it's a little bit more? But yes, but when you do it per load, it actually comes out less than your normal detergents because there's no fillers in here, which is a great thing. You can use it with the HE and everything. So I'm going to use a clear bowl. I've got my water. I've got hot water here. If you really want to do a deep clean, you can do just boiling your water and then taking it off the stove and put your detergent in, and then the cloths with the water, let them soak for like 30 minutes, and then you can kind of rush them around and you'll see the dirt come out of them. A quick, easy way to do the boiling water is run just water through your coffee pot. Easy enough. Okay. So for small loads, it recommends, this is the teeny little scooper. For small loads, it recommends using 1/3 of a cup of this little thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Put that to the side. Just mix it up a little bit here. Okay. And then I'm going to put my cloths in. So I've got some counter cloths here. I've got just some regular sheets, a window cloth, and then my scrubber, my vegetable scrubber. So I'll just move these around like you would normally. I would do this in my sink usually, but I wanted to show you the dirt that comes out of these. So can you see this water within the first few seconds? What happens? It's really disgusting. And I do rinse these out. I rinse them every time I use them, let them to hang to dry. Wash them. I wash them probably about once a week. But this is just to show you what you're picking up and just what these cloths do. It's absolutely amazing. Once I'm done here, again, I'll rinse them with hot water, hang them to dry. A great tip, as well as if you can, is to put them out in the sun to dry. The sun helps reactivate that silver in there and the back lock. You can certainly just hang them to dry. We'll do the same thing, but the sun is also great for it. I mean, it's just gross. Can you see this water? It's absolutely disgusting to think that, you know, and I clean, so it's not like I don't clean, but this is just the dirt that this picks up. It's absolutely amazing. So the Ultra Power Plus, dry my hands off here, is in the catalog always. Usually towards the beginning you'll find that if you're looking for it. You can buy this with a kit, with a starter kit, with the Fab 5. The cleaning paste is an absolutely amazing thing to have on hand as well. That was just a little, if you need just a little bit more power than what you have, that cleaning paste is phenomenal. All of our different cleaners. If anybody wants a catalog, just let me know. I can always get one sent to you to go through, but they're online as well. And of course, do you think that I can find it now as I'm looking? Oh, should be right here, but I'm not finding it for you. Anyway, it's a great investment as you're looking. I wish I could find it for you. You can use this Ultra Power Plus. Here it is. So it's $29.99, which is absolutely a great price. You can use this in our Forever spray bottles. You dilute it. It's a great cleaner if you need to wipe down and you want to add something. You don't want to do just water, you want to add something more. You need a little power, maybe for your sink or for your stove, whatever you're trying to clean. You add this to the water, to the spray bottle. It has to be a glass spray bottle. We sell those, the Forever bottles. And you just spray it on and clean away. It's awesome. So that's that, you guys. If you have any questions, please go ahead and message me. I'm happy to help you out at any time. And the other thing too, that if you're going through here and you see items that you just see items that you want, go ahead and create yourself a wish list. My suggestion is that if you find that your, $100 is your ideal wish list or more, you might want to think about just doing a party. Parties are done just like this now. You don't have to worry about getting guests over and what you're going to serve and all of that stuff. They're all done through Facebook or online parties. And it really is just a quick, 20-minute demonstration. We'll have a game. We'll have a little prize for winners. And that's really it. We have an ordering period of about a week. We have a Facebook group that they get invited to. It's a quick, easy thing. And it's a great way for you to get free product. You get, they're very generous with their hostess gifts. I've posted, what March was, what April is. I still have openings, so if you're interested, please contact me. I'm happy to help out. There's also the buying club. Don't forget about that. That if you do $35 for each month, and that's before tax and shipping, for March, April, and May, you're in the buying club. And what I'll do is for all 3 of those months, I kind of will accumulate the hostess gifts, and then we give them away to you guys. I give everything away. So for $35 for each month, so for just over $100, you're getting about $100 at least in free product. So it's a great thing. I do need to have 10 people to participate each time. Shouldn't be a big deal. But please jump in. I still have openings for March. If you want to jump in on that, the link is there. Go ahead and do so. All right, thanks guys. If there's anything else in the catalog that you want to see demoed, please let me know and I will help you out. Thanks.